How to care for your acne with natural way. If you've been trying to treat your acne for a long time, you've probably already felt the pain in your wallet. Acne can make you feel awful and can put a real dent in your self-esteem. This is made even worse when you're let down over and over again by yet another miracle product. You don't need to spend a fortune to treat your acne. In fact, many mainstream acne treatments make the problem worse and can even be harmful to your overall health. Instead, try some natural options to help alleviate and even get rid of your acne once and for all. Here are our top tips. Healthy diet. A healthy diet is the very best thing you can do for your acne. Sugar is deadly for acne sufferers. It has been proven to cause an inflammatory reaction in the skin which makes acne worse, or even helps it develop in the first instance. Reduce or better yet remove all sugar from your diet and you will see a difference in your skin. In addition to getting rid of sugar, eat a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables. Opt for an array of colors so that you can get the most antioxidant power in these foods into your system. Reducing dairy or even removing it altogether will also make a difference to your acne. Many experts believe that a vegan diet is the best way to keep the skin clear from acne. Many vegans swear this is true and have healthy skin to prove it. At the very least, eat less meat and avoid red meat, excess dairy and caffeine. And although chocolate on its own may not cause acne, it contains caffeine which can make acne worse. Whole grains will give your body much needed fiber which will help flush out toxins and keep your system running smoothly. And don't forget to drink plenty of water to help with this process. Green tea. You can take green tea internally to help relieve your symptoms, but you'll probably have better luck if you apply the tea directly to your acne. There are green tea creams available over the counter, but if you're looking for a cheaper, easier way, just brew tea bags, then apply them directly to your acne. Egg whites. Applying egg whites to the face as a mask is a great way to treat your acne and immediately close your pores. In addition, it also gets rid of the redness caused by your acne and can reduce the appearance of scars from previous breakouts. Tea tree oil. While many people disagree about the causes of acne, or how to treat it, pretty much everyone agrees that it's an infection. And tea tree oil has long been used as a natural way to kill bacteria and treat skin infections. Zinc. Taking a daily multivitamin is a great way to keep yourself healthy and your system in check, but an extra dose of zinc might be just what your body needs to fight off acne infections. Zinc helps strengthen your immune system so you're better able to heal and even prevent your acne. The best part about natural acne treatments is that they also improve the general quality of your skin without damaging it or drying it out as traditional products can. And many of them have few or no side effects. Also, stress can cause acne flare-ups. Try meditation or yoga to keep your mood level. This will not only help your acne symptoms but your overall health as well. Acne can be devastating, but by using the tips above and starting a plan of attack you can get rid of it altogether. Use diet as your first weapon, reduce stress and apply a few natural treatments as necessary and you'll see a difference in the overall health of your skin and body. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more future videos and do like, share and comment below.